People are scared to drive in this lake out here. Got a serious lake, got a nice little rainfall today. They're gonna do a U-turn. Didn't want to go in there, but look at that rain. That rain old puddle, baby. It is draining pretty quick. This one was all piled up, but it's lowering down. Come on, buddy. Come on. You got it. You got it. Yeah. Let's go. Running low. Running low. Running low. Nope. Not going that way. Wanting to see something go right through here real fast and slipperooey, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, look at that, woohoo! Even the Viper or the Chevy made it. Oh boy, the Audi got it dripping. Got it dripping right there. Slowly but surely. Oh, take it, Grandpa. Yeah, woo! Got them 20-inch rims, only in Ford. Only in Ford. All right, looks like the water is finally going down. But we do have a rainstorm a-coming. The rain is a-coming. So yeah, guys, what's up? I just wanted to show you guys what is popping off. Got back to Florida at our home ground, you know what I mean? And a rainstorm came on through, and right at this intersection where I popped the trailer out, we're gonna hang out for a day here, get everything settled at the parking lot near you, you know what I mean? But it downpoured, and there's an intersection right here that it overflowed. The water, I mean, you guys saw the video, so I wanted to basically film that and show. It's starting to rain again. So I wanted to show you guys crazy driving in that water, but there was no accidents. There was no riffraff, but you know, I was trying to, you know, maybe get a car stuck or, you know, some kind of drama for you guys, but you know, it actually turned out good. So it was a very good video. It was fun watching everybody fly through the water. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Welcome to Florida, baby, because we're here, and I'm going to keep on bringing you guys some entertainment right here at Wykoffs Adventures.